Hello. Hello everyone. We're gonna try something new, which is gonna be shorter videos from here. Let's address something today, which is this little thing, my microphone. Many of you might recognize it. It is recognized as the Rode Wireless Go. Looks like this. And it's an excellent little microphone, and the convenience of using it and the ease of use it is just amazing. However, there is one big elephant in the room, and that is this one, the windshield. This microphone is the version 1.1 or like, yeah, 1.1 or like the first version ever. Then there's a second version, 1.2 kind of. The only difference between those is that the windshield you got first came with this white one, and then you got a red one. The red one is supposed to be slightly better when you put it on here, but we all know if you just put it on like this, it's literally crap. It goes off extremely easy, and they have been criticized very much for that. So much, in fact, that on the Wireless Go 2, they redesigned this to be like a construction where you like put it in and twist it. However, I came across a YouTube video where there was a guy saying that we all done it wrong. If you only know how much frustration I have gone through, just like putting this one on, and I use like rubber bands like this, putting a rubber band on, and then just like put it on like this. In fact, so it would just stay there. I even used zip ties and all stuff. So, but maybe that's all been for vain, for no reason. We all done it wrong. Maybe that's at least what some people are claiming. And when I saw this video, I went down in the cellar and I picked up the microphone immediately because I wanted to find out if that's the case. And it seems like it could be the case. Just look at this. There's two small hooks on it. Now, let's do like this, to put one on first, then put the second one on like that. Take your fingers and press it down, like on both sides. And then, while pressing down, here in the middle, where you feel the plastic ring, just twist it a little bit like this. What happens now? Look at this. Amazing, isn't it? So let's take this other part. Never mind how it looks. The clamp was destroyed, so I used some Subaru to save it. Let's just see if it could hold here. Some extra weight. That's a bad example. Let's see what we have here. We have a magic arm, which I'm not sure how we're gonna attach stuffs. But here's the rubber band. Maybe that will be useful. Let's have a magic arm and see. This is pretty heavy. Look at this. I hope it will hold it. Look at it. It holds. We have all done it the wrong way. For how long? For ages. Well, at least since it came out and we all bought it and it's like came off all the time. And this is the first generation. The white one that's supposed to be fitting not so good as the other one. Look at this. When I'm going to take it off. There is actually some resistance in it. And you know what the thing is? If you look on the red one and the white one, I can't really see any difference. Maybe if I touch it. If I touch it, I feel like The red one is, well, no, this might be just my imagination, but I imagine that, and I kind of feel like the groove in the red one, like this little groove here, it's very tricky to see, but it's like a hook. And the hook is kind of like bigger on the red one. Let's do the same with the red one. I show it one more time. Let's get the fur a little bit out of the way. And we do it by taking one and get it in there. I have to see when I'm doing it. And then we take the top and we slide it in. Now we find the ring in here and we push it left and right a little bit. And now we just twist it a little bit. And the result? It's scary to do this over a glass table, but this is the result. It talks for itself. Just look at it. We have all done it the wrong way. What could we say? Well, I think a talking way of saying this would be like, yeah, we have done it the wrong way. Because if you just push it down, it kind of, well, goes off by itself. But if you're doing it the right way, it actually works. So this, I get so many questions when I'm thinking about this. Why haven't Rode told us users about this? Why did they redesign everything to like get a different construction where you like twist it on when it actually kind of works? Well, I still think the twisting thing is slightly better because considering that everyone basically have been thinking that it's crap when it's not, and we all just been using it in the wrong way. It's better to like be more clear about how you're going to use it. But it's amazing. I'm going to take this one off. And what's interesting about this one is that the microphone we have here that I'm talking to at the moment, the windshield on this one, I'm not going to touch it when I talk, that's going to be terrible, but the windshield on this one has only one hook. And it's the white one. And well, one of those are like really, really worn out. So it basically, if you're doing like this, you kind of see that it goes up. So this one is only held by one. Now look at this. I mean, what the fuck? Oh, maybe I should not swear here, but anyway, it's like, we have done it the wrong way. It's mind-blowing. I can't really describe it, how I'm both like, I'm mostly happy. I'm happy about it, but it's also like, it's just a big VTF moment. I'm not good at using words like this. Anyway, I hope this video could be helpful for you. 9 minutes, maybe longer than I thought, but anyway, if you want to see more camera related stuff, click here for the full playlist. Click here if you like my content and you want to subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment below what kind of hacks did you use in order to get the windshield to actually stay on the microphone. I know for sure I have done a lot, but my favorite method has actually been a simple rubber band. But I'm not gonna need that anymore. So thanks for watching and I see you later.